Hello everyone, and welcome back to Wellness Warriors Hubs. Today, we've got a fascinating topic to delve into: the dynamic relationship between nutrition and exercise, specifically the effects of exercise after a meal. But before we jump in, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an exciting health and fitness topic. We all know that what we eat and how we move can significantly impact our health. But have you ever wondered what happens when you exercise after a meal? Well, that's what we're here to explore today. Let's start by talking about digestion. After we eat, our body initiates the complex process of breaking down and absorbing nutrients. But did you know that exercise can influence this process? When we exercise post-meal, blood flow shifts away from our digestive system and toward the muscles we're using. This redirection of blood flow can actually slow down digestion. It's a fascinating phenomenon, isn't it? But that's just the beginning. Now, let's dive into blood sugar regulation. After a meal, blood sugar levels tend to rise. But engaging in exercise, especially activities like walking or cycling, can help regulate these levels. Exercise increases our body's sensitivity to insulin, allowing for more efficient glucose utilization and lowering blood sugar. So, if you're looking to keep those blood sugar spikes in check, post-meal exercise might be beneficial for you. But what about fat metabolism? Many of us are interested in burning those extra calories, right? Well, post-prandial exercise might have a trick up its sleeve for that too. When we exercise after a meal, our body taps into its energy reserves, including stored fat. This means that post-meal exercise can promote the use of fat as an energy source, which can be fantastic for those striving for weight management. Now, timing is crucial when it comes to post-meal exercise. Jumping into a rigorous workout immediately after a big meal can lead to discomfort or cramps for some. Experts typically recommend waiting at least 30 minutes to an hour after eating before engaging in intense physical activity to allow digestion to kick in. And remember, staying hydrated is essential. Whether it's pre-meal or post-meal exercise, drink plenty of water to prevent dehydration, which can affect your performance and overall health. It's important to note that the effects of post-meal exercise can vary from person to person. Factors like the type and size of your meal, your fitness level, and your overall health play a role in how exercise impacts your body after eating. And finally, your personal fitness goals matter. Some folks exercise after meals to aid in weight management or blood sugar control, while others simply enjoy the energy boost it provides. So there you have it, the fascinating interplay of nutrition and exercise, with a spotlight on postprandial exercise. It's a dynamic relationship with many facets to explore. Remember, what works best for you might be different from someone else, so always listen to your body and consult with a healthcare or fitness professional for personalized guidance. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this information helpful and insightful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below with your thoughts and experiences with post-meal exercise. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.